Hey, this is Cade Courtley here for Ford Patriots, and this is a Ford Patriots Sun Kettle. Now, this thing is ideal for taking something like this and making it into boiling hot water that you can drink, you can cook with, etc. It's as simple as this. Remove your cap, fill it with snow, replace the cap, find your sun, open it up, aim it towards the sun, let these mirrors do all the work. There you have it. Come on back shortly thereafter, and again, you have boiling water for drinking, for cooking, you name it. But this thing is a lifesaver, and it's all based on the sun. The Sun Kettle has been out and open and absorbing the rays of the sun for about 45 minutes. We added some Ford Patriots instant coffee to it, and close the mirrors to keep them safe. It's heaven on earth right there. All right, this is what we used to call a hot wet in the SEAL teams. And when you're in an environment like this and you're cold, this is the best way to warm back up. And it only took 45 minutes with the Sun Kettle and the sun. Again, this is Cade Courtley, Ford Patriots. Be a survivor, not a statistic.